Okay, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Yogesh Seroke. I am from Indore, sir. I have done my graduation from IIT DVV College, and I have done my school education from Excellence Balvinay Mandir. And after that, I was preparing for my MPPSC exam, and I was not selected. And after that, I was pursuing in Java technology, and right now
Okay, right now you are learning Java technology.
Yes, sir, yes.
Or you are doing internship.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is JVM?
So JVM is stand for Java Virtual Machine. It provides architecture for execute bytecode of Java from to into the machine code, and with the help of JIT, means just in time compiler, and it is in into the JRE, means just Java runtime environment.
Okay, what is the main difference between bytecode and the machine code?
So bytecode and machine code. So bytecode, when we write first in our program, then it compiled by JDK into the bytecode, and bytecode is totally independent from OS, and machine code is dependent on OS, and it is converted from bytecode to machine code by JVM.
Who will convert
So
JVM?
JVM.
Complete JVM or some specific component of JVM?
So specific component of JVM.
What is their name?
So I think JIT.
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 What is the full form of JIT?
JIT, just in time compiler.
Just in time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, can you tell me the difference between array and collection?
So array and collection. So array is a data type which store data in proper sequence. But here are some limitation of array. For example, size is limited, and we provide element in same data type. For example, if we provide int data type, when we provide integer also, only, and collection is an enhancement of array in which the limitation of array is disclosed, we can say, and where we can provide similar or dissimilar both data type, both element here, and collection is a interface, child interface of iterable interface, and it have also three type of interface like link and queue and set, and
What is the difference between list and set? Main difference.
list and set.
Yes.
So list is store data in proper sequence, but set are store data in random sequence.
Randomly it is.
Randomly.
Okay, what is the main difference between iterator and list iterator?
So iterator and list iterator. So iterator is an interface, and list iterator is a class, I think, which list iterator is class which store data, which display data in uh, uh, previous and next sequence, I think.
List iterator and iterator both are the interface.
Both are.
Okay, iterator is only used to display the data in forward direction.
Forward direction, yes, sir.
But list iterator is used to display data in forward direction
Forward
as well as backward direction.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
means has next and has previous. Both method contains by
Yes, yes.
list iterators.
Yes, yes.
But iterator only contain has next method, it not contain has previous method.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between comparable and comparator?
So comparable and comparator. So comparable and comparator both are the interface, but here are major difference is comparable. When we implement comparable in any class, and then it affect the main class, and provide compare to method, to compare between object, and we only provide a single parameter into the method, and comparator are also interface in which it provide a compare method, and we can provide multiple parameter in it.
Okay, this is the main difference.
Yes,
Okay, which is faster to do sorting operations?
sir.
Comparable or comparator?
Sir, I think comparable faster.
Comparable is much faster as compared to comparator.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which is faster, array list or vector?
Array list or vector? Sir, array list, I think.
Array list is faster for accessing or storing,
Storing, yes, sir, storing.
and accessing.
Accessing, I think array list is faster because
Why?
sir, vector is a synchronized and array list is not synchronized.
Vector is synchronized,
Yes.
array list is not
Not
synchronized.
synchronized.
What is the main difference between hash map and hash table?
Hash map and hash table. Sir, hash map and hash table. So basic difference. Hash map is hash map. We cannot provide a key value null in. We can provide a key value in null, and hash table, into hash table we cannot provide a key null, and hash table and hash map. So yes,
Any other difference? Synchronization.
synchronized.
Hash map is not synchronized, but hash table is synchronized.
Synchronized. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, what is the meaning of synchronization?
So synchronization means when we have data into parallel sequence, then synchronize convert it into step by step.
Okay, where it is used mostly?
So in threading,
Multi-threading.
multi-threading, yes.
It basically used on multi-threading.
Multi-threading, yes.
Okay. How to protect class from inheritance?
When we want to protect from inheritance, we can use final keyword in front of class name.
Okay. How to inherit constructor? Suppose that I want to inherit the constructor of base class to derived class.
Yes, we use super keyword and call constructor.
Super keyword or super method?
I think super method. Yes.
Okay. What is the work of this method?
This method is used to. Sir,
It is used to call the constructor. No? If you want to
Yes.
call the parameterized constructor to
yes, sir, yes.
default constructor under parameterized constructor, then you can use this method.
This method, yes.
Okay. Java support function overloading concept.
Function overloading.
Yes.
Function overloading. Yes, sir. Function overloading.
What is function overloading?
So it is proper. It is characteristic of polymorphism, and when we want to reuse the method and method in our code, then we use function overloading, and here function name is same but parameter will be different.
Okay. That's it. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.